So the last 2 weeks we've been on a farm tour throughout the 3rd Congressional District. I've been to farms from Methuen to Lancaster, Lowell to Concord. There are 842 farms in this district, which contribute to $40 million in products sold. We've seen farms that produce fruits and vegetables, dairy farms, even farms that produce the flowers, the tulips and the mums that we see in our grocery stores. So it's been such an informative experience. Some cool things that I learned, that 97% of the farms are family owned. In fact, some of the farms that we visited in Dracut and Methuen, they've been in families for more than a century. So these farms are not only huge contributors to our local economy, but also to our community. With farm to table and farmers markets and farm stands being on the rise, there are social collisions that are happening all over this district as a result of our farming community. So I look forward to bringing back the issues that I learned in terms of how to support our farmers down in Washington. I look forward to bringing that with me and look forward to keeping you posted.